Well, hi, everybody. This is Jim, and I'm with the TaxCredits2012.com website. We hope that you, when you see this video, that you take the time to learn all you can and to educate yourself about taxes and the IRS. Our website, TaxCredit2012, can really help you. I encourage you to stop by and take a look at the membership. It's a very low price. It's a one-time fee. And you can really learn a lot that can help you save a ton of money. So let's get started right in the video. This video is about 4 reasons people get into trouble with the IRS. You know, in recent years, the IRS has increased its filing of levies, liens, and wage garnishments. In fact, in just last year alone, over 2.5 million levies were filed. Many experts from some of the nation's largest tax resolution firms state these 4 listed ways are among their top list of ways citizens get into trouble with the IRS. And those 4 ways include exemptions, levied taxes, underpaying taxes, and lottery winnings. So remember, you don't want to mess with the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS. Just one small mistake, one little mess up when you're handling your finances and taxes, and it can cost you really big. That's the reason we started TaxCredit2012.com. We're here to educate you and give you the tools that can help you in the future. So let's talk about the first of the 4 reasons people get into trouble with the IRS. That number 1 is exemptions. Filing too many exemptions can really get you into trouble. An exemption gives you a major tax deduction, and many people just cannot resist the temptation to report more exemptions than they're entitled to make. You can only claim exemptions for yourself, your spouse, and all legal dependents. Dependents have to meet specific criteria, so make sure you follow the IRS guidelines so that you do not make some type of mistake in filing extra exemptions. Number 2 is tax retirement plans. Being aware of taxes levied for early withdrawal of certain retirement fund plans, such as if you withdraw from a retirement fund such as 401k or IRA, and if it's before you're 59.5 years old, you may face a 10% federal penalty on your investments, as well as a state penalty and an income tax on the money withdrawn. You will really need to see a tax advisor before you start yanking any money out of your 401k, IRA, or other tax retirement plans. Number 3 is self-employed. Not paying enough taxes when self-employed is a really dangerous place. Many people who own their own business don't know how much they have to pay in taxes. The tax structure for self-employed persons is decidedly complex, so it's easy to become confused. Some of the things you need to know are what to pay, how to pay, and what can be deducted. Number 4 on the 4 main reasons people get into trouble with the IRS, and that's the lottery. Not paying taxes on winnings. It is necessary to report all gambling winnings as income, including, but not limited to, winnings from the lottery. You know, you go spend those 5 or 6 numbers for a couple of dollars, and you buy the Powerball, and wow, you win $50, you win $100, you win $1,000, $50,000. Lucky you, you win the $90 million lottery, but you've got to report the taxes, no matter what amount it is. Also, casino winnings. Also, scratch-offs. You go get those little things and you scratch off. And like here in my neck of the woods in Texas, you scratch off the Texas two-step. And you get so many right. I'm not sure. I've never bought a lottery ticket, so I really don't know the details on them. But you're supposed to scratch them off. And if they match certain ways, you win a lot of money. Those have to be reported on your taxes also. And, of course, horse races. Horse racing is something we've all done down here in Texas for many a year. I think long before it was famous up in Kentucky. However, if you bet and if you win, you're supposed to report that to the IRS. So don't forget, if you win on anything you're gambling with, you're supposed to report those winnings to the IRS as part of your income. Finally, for people who are in trouble with the IRS, there are various programs available that can provide debt relief if a taxpayer qualifies. Many companies help clients determine if they meet the requirements for one of these IRS programs. These companies are usually staffed with former IRS agents, certified public accountants, attorneys, enrolled agents, and other experts that offer tax services, financial planning, small business services, and of course other services. Check out our link at taxcredit2012.com for some additional links to companies that we have found that may be able to help you. There's a copy of the link in this video. I know you can't click on it, but it's taxcredit2012.com/tax credit links with hyphens. It's actually up at the top bar where it says home, become a member, and so on. Click on the links and you'll be able to see the links that we have established so far. And that link page is constantly growing. So once you become a member, you want to go back there often. Even if you're not a member, you can check that particular page out. It's not locked for non-members. So I encourage you to take the time and to take a look at those links. Just remember now, exemptions, levy taxes, underpaying taxes, and lottery winnings are the 4 main reasons people get into trouble with the IRS. At any rate, that's it for this particular video. Please come by and see us at taxcredit2012.com. And hey, become a member. We'd love to have you. You take care and God bless you. Bye-bye.